Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a nail tutorial for the Makartt November Your Nail Lab in a Box, the subscription box. I'm so excited for this month because it's a collab with Babygirlnails. I absolutely love her channel and she does amazing work. So excited to show you guys what I came up with. Thank you so much for watching. So now we're going to start the unboxing. First thing we see is this little note from Babygirlnails. And then here we have some embellishments that are pearls, and then there's some that are different colored and they have gold around them. They're really pretty. I'll show those right now. Very pretty. I used the purple ones in my set today. And then next we have some red rhinestones that come in different sizes. There's 6 different sizes. Very pretty. And then you also get a pack with some extras in it, which is cool. So there's a lot of rhinestones in this kit. And then last of the rhinestones, there is black and like a gunmetal gray. I love the gray ones. And then we have some gel polishes here. Red and a purple, which I used the purple in my set today. It's very pretty, has a very pretty shimmer to it, and I did swatch those. The purple is so shimmery, it's really pretty. I can't wait to use the red for some holiday sets. And then I'm excited about these because I do not have any stiletto tips. I've been doing my nails for about 12 years, but mostly only done square and like coffin shape. So this is my first set of stilettos, so very cool. These are the extra long. Very nice. And these are absolutely gorgeous. These rhinestones, so pretty. Can't wait to create some holiday sets with those. And these glitters too are just beautiful, reds and golds, and yeah, just beautiful. And then I'm just showing them here, trying to show it in the light. And then last we have the Stellar Red and Cosmo Black polygels. And I did swatch those too. The black has silver, blue, and red glitters in it. And then the red has kind of like medium-sized glitters in it. So these are going to be beautiful. All the things in here for holiday sets. So now I'm just going to go in and roughen up the tips the inside of the tips so that the products can adhere better to the tips. I'm just going to use my nail drill for that. So now I'm applying some base coat to the pointer finger and the ring finger. I'm going to be putting letters down in those tips. I'm going to be spelling baby girl. I'm going to put baby on the pointer finger and girl on the ring finger. I'll show the letters I used a little bit later on. I forgot to do it in the beginning, so I'm just placing the letter down in the base coat, and then I will cure it with the little flashlight for a few seconds to keep it in place.